His beard grew, but didn't grow as what he wanted. This is before the smart FE procedure. This is the custom design that suit for his face. Today is second day, we just started the smart craft care. This is the French beard. Phytrum, the goatee, the beard, the VY, this whole thing is filled up. This is the French beard, and this is the jaw line going up like this. This is the sideburn. This is the upper part of the beard. Around here, we gave a bit of soft look. We decrease the density to soften this area here. Coming back here, the angle of mandible. Now this patient has some beard from ear to ear, but he don't have underbite. So we have given him a fuller beard now.
Today is the second day of the smart beard transplant, and then on the first day I felt a bit of swelling and had trouble sleeping, but today I felt better, and then I can sleep better now. The swelling is also reduced a lot. Now I'm very happy with the results.